Right, here it is. The black bomber. That's right. My black bomber. Special project today. I have to get it inspected and my backup lights have given up on me. I think it's the switch. It's been going, so I have a new one. I looked on the internet and nobody is showing how to replace one of those. Well, that's what I'm going to do today. Right, here's the new part. Yeah, standard. Standard. Those Taiwanese make the product for a very good price. You know what I'm saying. Here's the unit. Look at that. It goes like this on top of the steering column underneath the dash. You have your neutral safety switch and you have your backup lights, etc. in here. All in the same switch, and it's adjustable. You can slide this one way or the other. You want to go right now. There it is. It's going. Now, they probably had it set where it should be, but I can adjust that anyway. And this has to go into the steering column, and that's what moves to the different contacts. Alright, I'm going to try this, and I'm going to try and film it too. One of the reasons I like the old trucks is because you can actually get your hands under this dashboard in some places. Right there you can see the white clip on both sides of the column. Right there and right over here. That's the clip I have to get out of there. Looking up under, I've actually got a little bit of space up there. Actually got a little bit of space. Well, before I took it apart, I looked. My switch has these terminals and these terminals, but it does not have this one. There's not even a place for it, like it's not broken off or something. So it looks like I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board. Well, the computer says this part will fit into my truck. Yes, 87 Chevy Suburban, regardless of that extra terminal on there right here. So, I'm going to try it. Okay, I put a screwdriver to it on this side and broke it out. They wanted to move backwards to get out. Nothing is there. I'm going to see if I can feel the slot that the grabber is supposed to go into. Alright, it's way over there in the park position. Way over on the left side here. The slot is way over on the left side. So, I need both hands to do this. I'm going to switch those wires over to the other one. I'm going to put the slider way over on that side. Let me get that. Alright, the wires went on. One is held on by a clip in the back, so it'll be very hard to get off while it was still on the column. And this one was held by some sort of a clip you can't see. But they came apart, they went back together. Now I'm going to try and put this thing up in there. Fit this into a hole that you can't see from here. But I believe it's over there in the park position. Like if this was the shifter indicator. I'm going to do it. The trick of all this is that you can't see what you're doing on the top of the column. Here's the old piece and it had to break out. This and this piece and this piece went into holes on the column. Now I marked with magic marker right there. Right at the top of it, right there is the hole that the new ones have to go in and pop and hold this thing in place. The rest of it, this stuff has to go into a slot that's on the top but you can't see. So I marked with magic marker right there where that slot is. That'll tell me how far forward or backwards to put the clip, and it'll where to put this clip on this side, because I I can't see the other side at the same time. Here's the new one. The clips are not broken. I'm going to try and get it up and put it in line with those magic marker lines. Alright, it's clipped in. Both sides are clipped in. Alright, now to see if the backup lights work. It's recording. Alright, Jim, try the backup lights. Oh yeah, back in business. Back in business. Thank you. That's right, check it out. Backup lights work. This thing was broken as can be. The inside slider was completely upside down and disassembled. And all of the electric sliders in there were bad. And it was obviously no good. I had to break it out, and I can't believe that it was so simple to do, and I was worried about it. And I checked out that terminal. It was apparently for some other applications. But it's done. And now I can get you inspection this month. Yahoo!